How to download InShot on PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can download InShot for PC. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you want to download the InShot for PC, you can directly head over to Google and type in InShot for PC. And once you do that, you'll be finding the search results right here. So from here on the section, you can go to download InShot for PC laptops, this one right here, and go to that. Once you go on this section, you'll be finding direct option from where you can download it for PC. So you can go ahead and tap on InShot download for PC and tap on it, and once tapped on it, it will start downloading on your device. Once it is downloaded, you can just tap on install and shut it up on your device, and you can use up the feature, the application, in order to edit out your videos or pictures. So that is it. That is how you download InShot for PC. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.